Hello everyone, I'm your host, and today we're going to explore how I made $500,000 this year, all while catching some Z's. Now you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, the secret lies in the world of affiliate marketing. My journey in this field started several years ago, and since then, I've been able to turn it into a passive income stream that works even when I'm off the clock. The path wasn't always smooth, but the lessons learned and the financial freedom gained have made it all worth it. This video will provide you with a behind-the-scenes look at my affiliate marketing journey, the strategies I used, and how I was able to hit that impressive $500,000 mark. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your efforts, there's something for you here. So sit back and let's journey through the world of affiliate marketing together. First, let's establish what affiliate marketing is. Picture it as a digital word-of-mouth scenario, where you recommend products or services you trust to your audience. But there's a twist. With every successful referral, you earn a commission. Simple, right? Here's how it works. You, the affiliate, partner with businesses looking to promote their products or services. These businesses provide you with a unique affiliate link that tracks any sales made through your referral. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a percentage of that sale. This basic concept works because it's a win-win situation. The business gains exposure and potential sales, and you, the affiliate, earn passive income. The role of affiliates, therefore, is to bridge the gap between consumers and products. You help consumers make informed decisions while also benefiting from your recommendations. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into my personal journey. I began my journey in affiliate marketing back in the spring of 2020. The concept intrigued me. The idea of earning a passive income while providing value to my audience. I dove in headfirst, eager to learn and grow, but let me tell you, it wasn't an easy ride. In the beginning, I faced my fair share of challenges. I remember feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information out there, countless strategies, platforms, and products. It was like trying to navigate a labyrinth with no map. There were times when I questioned whether I was cut out for this, whether I should just throw in the towel. But I'm nothing if not tenacious. I knew I had to persevere. So, I took a step back, took a deep breath, and began to break down the process into manageable chunks. I started with research, lots of it. I spent countless hours learning about different strategies, understanding the market trends, and figuring out what worked and what didn't. Next, I focused on building a strong foundation. I understood that success in affiliate marketing was not about quick wins, but about consistency and quality. I invested time and energy into understanding my audience, their needs, and how I could provide value to them. One of my biggest hurdles was dealing with skepticism. Many people, including some of my own friends, were doubtful about affiliate marketing. They saw it as a get-rich-quick scheme, and their skepticism often seeped into my own confidence. But I knew that I had to trust in the process and in the work I was doing. So, I kept pushing forward, learning from my mistakes, and continually improving. Despite the challenges, I found my stride, and a big part of that was selecting the right niche. A niche that aligned with my interests, had a demand, and allowed me to provide genuine value. This was a turning point in my journey, and from there things began to fall into place. But that's a story for the next scene. Choosing a niche was a crucial step in my affiliate marketing journey. You see, a niche is not only about what products or services you'll be promoting, but also about who you'll be talking to. It's about aligning your interests with a group of people who share the same passions and needs. My choice was based on three factors: passion, profitability, and familiarity. I knew I had to pick a niche I was passionate about, because it would ensure that I could keep creating content around it, even during challenging times. Next, I looked at profitability. It's essential to choose a niche where people are ready and willing to spend money. Lastly, familiarity. It's easier to talk about and sell something you know well. After selecting my niche, the next step was product selection. This was equally important because, in affiliate marketing, you're essentially recommending products to your audience, and your credibility is on the line. I had to choose products that I believed in, that would bring value to my audience, and of course had a decent commission rate. I started by researching the best affiliate programs in my niche. I also looked at what other successful affiliates were promoting. I made a list of potential products and started narrowing down based on their relevance to my audience, the quality of the product, and the reputation of the company behind it. It's crucial to remember that not all products will be a fit for your audience. You need to understand your audience's needs and problems, and find products that can help solve those problems. For example, if your niche is fitness, promoting a high-quality protein powder could be a great fit. If your audience is into tech, maybe the latest software would be a better choice. In the end, it's all about providing value. If you can genuinely help your audience solve their problems with the products you promote, you're on the right path. With the right niche and products, the next step was to create a platform to promote them. Creating a platform was the next big step in my journey. This isn't just about building a website or setting up a social media page. It's about creating a space that's uniquely you, a space where you can share your voice, your thoughts, and most importantly, the products or services you believe in. I started with a blog. A simple, clean, and user-friendly blog was my platform of choice. Why, you ask? Because it allowed me to share detailed, in-depth information about the products I was promoting. I could write reviews, share personal experiences, and provide value to my audience. Remember, affiliate marketing is not just about selling, it's about providing value. But a platform, no matter how well designed or user-friendly, is nothing without content. This is where your content creation strategy comes in. For me, it was all about creating engaging, informative, and authentic content. I focused on writing blog posts that were not only informative but also relatable. I shared my personal experiences, my triumphs, and yes, even my failures. Because authenticity builds trust, and trust is fundamental in affiliate marketing. And let's not forget about the importance of consistency. Regular updates keep your audience engaged, and more importantly, they keep your platform fresh and relevant. So, whether it's a blog post, a social media update, or a video, make sure you're regularly adding new content. But what's the point of having great content if it's not reaching your audience? That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes in. SEO is all about making your content discoverable. By using keywords related to your niche and the products you're promoting, you can help your content appear in search results, bringing more traffic to your platform. In summary, building a successful platform and creating engaging content isn't just about selling products, it's about creating a space where you can share your voice, provide value to your audience, and build a community around your niche. And it's about using SEO to make sure your content is discoverable. Having a platform and content is great, but it's useless if no one can find it. That's where SEO comes in. So stay tuned as we dive into the world of SEO in the next scene. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is vital in affiliate marketing. To make my content visible to the right audience, I employed a few key strategies. First, I focused on keyword research, since understanding what potential customers are searching for is the first step to getting my content in front of them. Long-tail keywords, those specific phrases customers use when they're closer to a purchase, were a goldmine for me. Secondly, I ensured that my website was technically optimized. That means quick loading times, mobile friendliness, and secure connections. Google rewards sites that deliver a smooth user experience, and so do users. Lastly, I created high-quality, relevant content. No amount of SEO can compensate for content that doesn't deliver value to its audience. I made sure that my content was not only engaging but also informative. I also leveraged analytics to track my performance. This data helped me understand what was working and where adjustments were needed. With a good grip on SEO, the next step was to automate and scale. Automation was my key to making money in my sleep. By using tools that automate tasks like email marketing and social media posting, I was able to keep my affiliate marketing efforts running around the clock. It's like having a team working for you 24/7 without actually having one. But automation wasn't the only strategy I employed. To scale my efforts, I broadened my niche, added more products to my portfolio, and leveraged paid traffic to reach a wider audience. This allowed me to increase my earnings while maintaining the same level of effort. Finally, let's talk about monetization. Aside from the commission I made from my affiliate links, I also implemented other methods to diversify my income streams. I used display ads on my site and offered sponsored content opportunities. This created multiple revenue streams, maximizing my earnings from each visitor. And that, folks, is how I made $500K this year in my sleep. In conclusion, the road to $500,000 in passive income through affiliate marketing was paved with strategy, determination, and continuous learning. I started my journey with a clear understanding of what affiliate marketing was and how it could be a viable source of income. My journey wasn't always easy, but I embraced the challenges as opportunities for growth. Selecting a profitable niche that resonated with my interests was the first major step in my journey. This was followed by a careful selection of products and services that I believed in, and that I knew would provide value to my audience. Remember, authenticity and genuine passion for your niche and products are essential for success in affiliate marketing. Building a platform was the next big step. I established a website and social media presence where I could engage with my audience and promote my affiliate products. The creation of engaging and optimized content was a crucial part of this process. SEO techniques and keyword research played a significant role in enhancing the visibility of my content and attracting the right audience. Automation was a game changer. It allowed me to earn money in my sleep and scale my affiliate marketing efforts. Monitoring the performance of my efforts through analytics helped me to make informed decisions and adjustments along the way. Diversifying my income streams was another strategy that contributed to my success. I implemented different monetization methods in my affiliate marketing strategy, ensuring a steady flow of income. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, remember, choose a niche and products that you are passionate about. Create a visually appealing platform and engaging content. Leverage SEO techniques, automate processes where possible. Monitor your performance and diversify your income streams. Avoid the pitfall of chasing quick profits at the expense of building a sustainable business. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a journey that requires strategy, patience, and hard work. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I hope that my story has inspired you to start your own journey in affiliate marketing. Don't forget to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below.